Good morning, all of you. Good morning, everyone. Mute
Good
yourself,
morning,
please.
ma'am.
Huja, mute yourself, please. Yes. And stable your camera, please. There, if you're turning off and turning on your camera, which will be problem for you then. Anya Mittal, please turn on your camera and sit in the class. Otherwise, you may leave. You are allowed to leave the class. Now, students, as I already explained you, the other method also to find the LCM, which is this way method. And you write the denominators and check the denominators with the prime numbers, are they divisible or not. Prime numbers we already know that वो खुद की टेबल में ही आते हैं, वो और किसी टेबल में नहीं आते. For example, 2 is not coming in any table, 3 is not coming, 5 is not coming in any other table, 7 is not coming in any other table, then 11 is not coming in any other table, then 13 is not coming in any other table. So on बहुत सारे प्राइम नंबर्स होते हैं, पर आपके सिलेबस में लगभग 13 तक ही होगा. You can check. Now we start with the small prime number first. 2. 2 में दोनों नंबर डिविजिबल हैं कि नहीं. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. Then this is already 1 हो गया, खत्म इसका. Now we हमको लास्ट तक 1 लाना होता है, right? Now again we take the 2 and this 2 8 will be divisible 4 times. 2 fours are 8. Then again 2 twos are 4 and then we take again 2 ones are 2. Got it? And multiply whatever the numbers are coming this side, multiply them and find the LCM. 2 twos are 4 and 4 twos are 8. Now 8 is the LCM. After finding the LCM, if you need to keep the denominator 8, multiply it with the 4, multiply this also with the 4. So now your next fraction will be 4 upon 8. This is also 8 as the LCM, where multiply by 1 and multiply by 1 will become 2 upon
2 upon
8.
8 only.
So the next fraction is 2 upon 8. So the total is 6 upon 8. Do it into the lowest sum, divided by the 2. Because it's divisible by 2. 2 threes are 6 and 2 fours are 8. The fraction is 3 upon 4 in the lowest term. The answer is 3 upon 4. Got it, everyone?
Ma'am, I had to write a sum. Can you say if the answer is correct or wrong?
Tell me the sum.
Yes, ma'am. 6.
Everyone be ready with the page number 55. As I told you to read the textbook pages and come. Who read the pages? Tell me. Raise your virtual hand. Vivan Balchandani, Jahan Agarwal, Nishika, turn on your camera. Trisha, Nishika's is on. Vivan, Rudra Jajadia, turn on your camera, please. And as I already told you to read the pages and come. Is there any child who read the pages and came? When I will ask the questions, please give me the answers related to the textbook, okay? Yes, Samriddhi, tell me the sum.
Yes,
Be
ma'am.
quick, Samriddhi.
6 upon 2 plus 4.
I told you take the proper fraction. Then it is improper. Okay, tell me the next is
not listen.
6 upon 2 and
4 upon 3.
4 upon 3. Take the LCM.
Yes, ma'am. The LCM is 6.
LCM is 6. So my 55. So the LCM is 6, means 6 upon 2 is a fraction and you need to keep the denominator as 6. Multiply by which number?
3.
3. Multiply by which number?
3.
What is the answer?
Yeah, 18.
Next is 4 upon 3. Same denominator, you have to keep 6.
Yes,
Multiply by which number?
Ma'am, it will be multiplied by 2. 2.
Multiply by which number? 2. What is the answer here?
8.
8. So one fraction is 18 upon 6 and the other is 8 upon 6.
Yes.
18 upon 6 plus 8 upon 6. So 18 plus 8 is
26 upon 6 answer is.
26
6.
upon
6.
I will write 12. I will write 12 students in the denominator.
Ma'am, I said 6.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No,
No,
Vijay is right. When it is coming in the improper, now you can see the fraction is improper. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
When the fraction is improper, you have to give the answer in the mixed. Divide this 26 by 6. 6 fours are 24. Remainder is 2.
4, yes, 2.
So 6 will be the denominator.
Yes, then
Remainder will go up.
and 4.
आंसर हमेशा ऐसे में आएगा जब अगर आपका फ्रैक्शन इम्प्रॉपर है तो मिक्स्ड में देना है.
Okay.
और अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज क्लियर टू यू ऑल, you cannot leave the answer like this up 26 upon 6 because it's an improper fraction.
Yes.
What happened, Ayush? Why are you moving from one place to another?
No, ma'am. I'm moving. I'll sit down. Ma'am, I didn't understand the taking of the LCM and what we are doing now.
But you have not understood yesterday's class how to take the LCM?
No, ma'am. I didn't understand.
Okay.
I know about the prime numbers. Actually, in the Olympiad, Maths Olympiad books also there's prime numbers. So I know about them, but I don't know how did you do the method.
LCM तो you know na, we have done before also how to take the LCM.
Yes, least common.
After taking the LCM, it is very easy. For example, if I give you two fractions.
I know after taking the LCM, and I don't know the method. The second method you told to take the LCM.
Okay.
I didn't know the second method.
Now please check here. I am writing two different mixed fractions. Yes or no? They are mixed fractions. Will it be possible to add the mixed fractions? No. So what you need to do is you have to first convert them into they are mixed fractions. So first you need to convert them into the improper. Darius, stable your camera and mute your mic please and sit properly. Children, please understand this. When this kind of fractions come, the mixed fraction, and the sign is addition or the subtraction, method will be same in addition and subtraction. Ayush, here also I will use the second method. So please pay attention. Now, first of all, I want to convert them into the improper because it's a mixed fraction. So I want to convert them. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1, 5 upon 2. 4 4 is 16 plus 3, 17, 18, 19 upon 4. Now it is possible to do the next steps. In this type of fraction, it is not possible. So first convert them and then start the other practices. Am I clear? Till here? Now, next step is to take the LCM of 4 and 2. So we write the denominators 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 both are coming in the table of 2. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. Till here it is clear, Ayush? Now when you see 1 is coming in any number, means this is over. Now the chance for this 2. Again we take 2 because it is divisible by 2. So 1. In both the numbers now 1 1 has come, so we stop. Clear? Now what are the numbers here? 2 into 2 is 4. So the LCM is 4. So now 5 upon 2 fraction we will write and keep the LCM as the 4. We multiply this with the 2, so the denominator is 4. We multiply the numerator also with the 2, so the 10 upon 4. Till here it is clear to you all? Can I move to the next step? Now this fraction is remaining 19 upon 4. 4 is the denominator, so we multiply by 1 and we multiply by the 1. It's 19. So now two fractions are these, 10 upon 4 and 19 upon 4. Add them and find the answer. What is the answer? Who will tell me what is the answer? 10 upon 4 plus
29
Ma'am,
upon 4.
29.
29. Jahan Agarwal, what is the answer?
29 upon 4.
29 upon 4. Now
Ma'am,
when you check it's an improper fraction because numerator is greater. So give the answer in the mixed. Give the answer in the what? In
Mixed.
what? Tell
Mixed.
me. Mix. So divide karo. In table of 4, how many times 29 or less than 29 is coming?
7.
What 7 fours are?
4 7s are 28.
28. 7s are 28. Now how I will write it into the mixed? What will be the denominator, Trisha?
4.
What will be the whole?
1.
What will be the whole?
7.
Karnav is right. 7 will be whole. And the remainder will go up as the numerator. Got it? Now you can
Yes, ma'am.
check. 7 into 4 is 28 and 29 upon 4, which is similar to 29 upon 4. Clear everyone? Don't get confused कि इस
Excuse
तरीके
me,
का
ma'am.
fraction है तो आप add कैसे करें? Yes,
Excuse me,
Nishika.
ma'am. I have a doubt. How do we come to know we have to take 4, 7 and 1 only?
One only means if there is a
Means-
turn on your camera, please.
Ma'am, it's coming camera not found.
Okay. See, my dear, your fraction was when you added, it is 29 upon 4, right?
Yes.
Yeah, now it's the proper fraction or the improper fraction?
Improper fraction.
Improper, because 4 में से 29 parts करना तो possible ही नहीं है. So it's a improper fraction. और improper का हमेशा हमें mixed में ही answer देना होता है. और mixed में how you will do, you divide it. And when you divide it, what is the remainder will go as the numerator. What is the quotient will go as the whole. And the
Okay.
denominator जो है वो same ही रहता है अपनी place पे.
Okay, ma'am.
Got it, everyone? Can I move ahead with the other
Ma'am?
questions? Yes.
Ma'am, if the question is very, the number digits is very long, so how we can do?
Take the LCM in that way. ये वाला जो method बताया उस method से LCM लोगे.
Okay.
ज्यादा big नहीं आएंगी, पर जो भी आपके level का है वो आएगा. आपको
Ma'am?
method आना चाहिए.
Ma'am, in yesterday's worksheet, I in the second question I was done the LCM was 408, but I cannot multiply.
Okay, no problem. In the next class we will discuss this. Okay. Okay. Now page number 55. If you have already read this page, I have already told you what is this about in this page number. Please tell me.
Ma'am, it's a Birbal story.
Story. What the Birbal is doing in the story. What Akbar and Birbal are doing. My dear children, if you come blank in my class, no,
Birbal.
then don't expect from me then.
Ma'am, Birbal is going to Akbar and to show his poems.
Yes. And next child, there. Have you read these pages?
No.
Then why no? Why no? I have announced in the class, no, yesterday. Then why no? I'm not here to listen, no. Now you will be blank. And what happens is, after 3-4 times also, you will face the difficulty that, ma'am, I have not understood. Can you please explain again? Because you are not coming prepared in the class. Children, Karna, Nishika, have you read the pages? Huja.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Nishika, you read the pages, what it is about?
Ma'am, when he was young, he was very good at poet, and he went to Akbar to show his talent, and the gatekeeper had stopped him.
So what they are discussing about in this story?
So the king Akbar told ki you are such a nice poet. I will give you 1/10 as a prize.
Very good. See, I'll present my screen. Now listen here. That it is near about that only. So please, again, I'm telling you, read the stories, read the pages, what it is about, and come in the class so that you can understand in the better way. Greedy gatekeeper. Remember, Birbal, the clever minister of King Akbar. In grade 4, we have also done. Do you know how he became the minister? Birbal was then a young boy living in a village. He was a very clever and could write poetry. He thought he would try this luck in the king's court. So Birbal was then a young, he thought he would try this luck in the king's court. So he took some of these poems and set off for the city. अपनी poems लिखता था और निकला the city में दिखाने के लिए. When he reached the outer gate of the palace, he was stopped by a gatekeeper. The gatekeeper ने उसको वहीं रोक दिया. He was stopped by a gatekeeper. क्यों रोका होगा? Can you tell me? Can anyone tell me why?
Yes, ma'am. Because the gatekeeper was greedy and wanted money.
Yes. Because he was stopped by the gatekeeper. Hey, stop there. Where are you going? Shouted the gatekeeper. I am a poet. I want to see King Akbar and show my poems to him, replied the poet. Oh, you are a poet? The king is kind. He will surely give you a prize. उसने बोला gatekeeper ने, ठीक है तुम poet हो, you will definitely get the prize from the king. I will let you know in if you give me 1/10 of your price. अब आपको जो भी मिले, जितने भी coins मिले उसका 1/10 तुम्हें मुझे देना है. Gatekeeper is saying. Suppose 100 coins दिए हैं. So what is the 1/10 of 100? Samriddhi will tell me.
10.
What is the 1/10 of 100, Samriddhi?
Mama, 1/10 of 100. Mama, 10.
10
How 10? How 10? Wait, yes, wait. How 10? How you calculated 10?
Mama, I did by 10 times.
See, when we have learned, no, 1/10 multiply 100 and you cross this and you will get the answer, 1/10. Got it? This way, I'll show you here. If we get 50, so how you will find? 1/10 multiplied by 50, 0 to 0 cancel, will be 5 coins. Got it? Yes or no? Student, tell me yes or no.
Yes,
If we get 30 coins, what is the 1/10 of 30?
Ma'am, can I answer?
Yes, decide.
Ma'am, 30.
1/10 of 30.
3. Ma'am, 3.
Wait, let me talk with Anya Mittal. Anya, what is 1/10 of 30? अगर उसको 30 coins मिलते हैं.
1/10 of 30.
1/10 of means multiply of 30. You can check my board. I'm writing there also. 0 to 0 cancel. How many coins he will get? 3 coins. 1/10 of 30. Anya, please pay attention. Karnav, come back to your place. Young Birbal agreed since he had no other way. When he went in, the gatekeeper calculated if he gets 100. अब वो गेट पे गया और कैलकुलेट करने लगा अगर 100 coins मिलते हैं तो the gatekeeper calculated if he gets. Gatekeeper is saying in his mind that अगर उसको 100 coins मिलते हैं और 100 का 1/10 मुझे कितना मिलेगा? So how many coins he will get? अगर 100 मिलते हैं तो
10 coins.
10.
So 10 coins. Please write the answer in your textbook. The poet came to a second gate.
Ma'am, can I say example?
Yeah, please tell.
Ma'am, see, like, if he will win, he will get 10,000.
So 10,000 का 1/10.
The gatekeeper will have 1,000.
Very good. The poet came to a second gate. Children, we have already done this. That's why I'm going very fast and asking you the questions. This gatekeeper also said, I will let you in if you give me 2/5 of your price. अब आ गया 2/5. Suppose next child, Karnav. What is 2/5 of 100? Again, 2/5. Yeah, 2/5 of 100. Fill my board screen, students. Yes.
Ma'am, 0 will be cut.
0 0 है ही नहीं है तो कट कैसे होगी?
Ma'am, 5. Ma'am, 5 multiplied by
1 लगाएंगे 5 divide 5 1s are 5 5 2s are 10 0 in table of 5 100 is coming 20 times.
Yes, ma'am.
Then 20 multiplied by 2 is numerator will be multiplied by the numerator. You all have done this kind of problems or not? Now tell me, yes or no? We have done practice or not related to these type of questions? Twisha, I'm asking from you. Can you answer me? But why you are sitting like as a blank that you don't know anything?
Can I
Next,
answer?
be ready for the next question, Twisha. Karna, so 20 multiplied by 2 is 40. 2/5 of 100 is 40. Got it?
40. Yes, ma'am.
Twisha, 3/5 of 100. Twisha, 3/5 of 100. Children, you also find the answer and write in the chat box. Twisha, your mic is mute. Your mic is mute, please. Turn on your mic. Mic is mute. Write in the chat box, Twisha. Three-fifth, Ayush, what is the 3/5 of 100?
Ma'am, the 3/5 of 100 would be एक second. 100 को 5 so 20 20 20 it would be 60.
Samriddhi, 3/5 of 100.
Ma'am, put 60, right?
Yeah, right, 60. Let me take the attendance for a minute. Start doing practice, children, as I already announced in the class that we have CET on Saturday. I will go to the next now. Yes. So this gatekeeper also said, I will get, again he went to the next gatekeeper and that another gatekeeper said 2/5 of your price. So the gatekeeper happily calculated, if the poet will get at least 100 coins, so I will get how many? 100 का 2/5 कितना आता है?
40 coins.
40 coins. Write in the chat, in your blank. Write 40 coins. Go to the next page. The poet reached the last gate. Now the gatekeeper said, I will allow you to see the king only if you give me half of the price. अगर 100 coins मिलते हैं तो उसका half कितना होगा? What is the half of 100?
50.
What is the half of 1000?
500.
What is the half of 250?
50.
What is the half of 250?
150.
No, how 150? 150 plus 300. 125. Yes. So the gatekeeper thought today is a great day. If he gets 100 coins, I will get half of 100. You will write what in this gap? You will write
50.
50. And half of 1000?
500.
Yes. Now,
500, ma'am.
the king was very happy with the poems and said, your work is very good. You can ask anything as your prize. Then, my lord, I want 100 slaps. Now see, he is very much intelligent and clever. He says, I want, sir, 100 slaps. What? 100 slaps? The king was shocked. What happened after that? See, can you complete the story? उसने 100 slaps क्यों मांगे थे?
Yes, ma'am. I will sing. Can I complete the story?
Yes,
Ma'am, can I
please.
say?
Yes.
Ma'am, the story will be that after the 100 slaps, the king asks, why would you ask for 100 slaps when you can ask for coins or
Yeah.
anything as your price?
Hmm.
Birbal said that when
Yes.
I was coming in, Birbal would have said when I was coming in, the gatekeepers took all my price. Would have took all my price because half the price, one gatekeeper took half the price. So if it's 150,
Yes.
then one will take 2 by 5, which is 40, and one gatekeeper will take 10 coins. So that is all is 100 coins. So he said that I want 100 slaps. So when the king asked, he
So
said
that-
that these give the 100 slaps to them. He will have 50 slaps, he will have 40 slaps, and he will have 10 slaps.
Yes. Excellent. Got it, students? Instead of he was very clever. This way, 10, 40, and the 50 he will distribute to the gatekeepers. Now go to the next. Make a different pattern by coloring some squares in the grids B, C, D. A is already done for you. How many total squares are in this A1? Can you please count and tell me?
Ma'am, it is 16.
16.
Total, I am asking.
16.
Yes. Why you children making yourself confused in listening? I said total. So total means you need to not need to see the colors. Total means all the total. Total are 16. And how many are blue in this?
8.
8. So if I say write the fraction of the blue part, so how you will write?
8 by 16.
8.
Eight
If
by
I say
16.
write the fraction of white squares,
Ma'am, 8 upon 16.
yes, both are.
Ma'am, it is also called a 1 upon 2.
Yes, it will be also 1 upon 2. Excellent, Visha. Now go to the next. Now you can color them.
Ma'am, you can hear me.
Yes, now I can hear you.
What? Is it okay if I shade it with a pencil?
Yes, you can shade it with the pencil. See, this way you can create your own patterns and write the fractions. For example, 1 is here and this way you are creating. So 16 upon 6 is for the pink one or the purple one, and 10 upon 16 is for the white one. And then I created the another pattern where here, and I want to write the portion for the brown one. And if you have remember, I have already sent the worksheet based on this. Yes or no, students, in the beginning?
Yes, ma'am.
To write the fraction for the brown part, so you will write 10 brown are shaded, total are 16. 6 are white and the total are 16. So this way you can shade it in your textbooks. After the class also you can shade and find the pattern. You want to say something? Someone mic is on. Somebody wants to speak something?
No, ma'am.
Now look at the grid A. Is the grid colored 1 upon 2 blue and 1 upon 2 white? Or 2 upon 4 blue or 2 upon 4 white? Or 3 upon 8 blue and 5 upon 8 white? Or 4 upon 8 blue or 4 upon 8 white? Which answer is right? Can anyone tell me? Students?
Ma'am, 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 white is right.
Yes,
2
and
upon
this
4
is
blue,
also
2 upon 4 white is also right.
also
But,
right.
4
Yes.
upon 4 upon 8 white is also right. But 3 upon
Because
8 and
when
5
you do
upon
the
8.
lowest term of this, you are getting 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. So all are right. Only this is wrong, right? C1.
Yeah.
Go to the next. Draw grid of 16 squares and make a pattern with. एक 16 squares की आपको grid बनानी है. And जो method यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, you need to follow that. For example, I'll show you the grid here. 16 squares ki 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You can see the 16 squares given. It is according to me, but you can make according to your choice and follow the pattern which is given here. 2 upon 8 means out of total 8, color 2 red. Please mute your mic. I will not speak. 2 red, 1 upon 2 yellow. 1 upon 2 yellow means half yellow. तो टोटल 16 में से सारे हाफ तो आपको येलो ही करने हैं. एंड 1 upon 4 ग्रीन मीन्स 4 पार्ट में से आपको 1 पार्ट ग्रीन करना है. मीन्स टोटल 8 में से आपको 2 पार्ट्स ग्रीन करने हैं. वेट अ मिनट. Got it, student? How to color this? Can anyone done? Can you do it here
Excuse me,
right
ma'am.
now and show me? Yes, Nishika.
We have to do a notebook.
No, you have a space near in the textbook only. You can do here. See, you
Okay.
can do here. The space is there. Draw one grid of 16 squares.
Okay, ma'am.
So I am writing here 2 upon 8. 2 upon 8 red. 2 upon 8 of 16. 2 upon 8 of 16 means total are 16. So 8 ones are 8 and 8 twos are 16. 2 into 2 is 4. So 4 squares will be red. Yes or no? 2 upon 8 kiska? 2 upon 8 16 ka. Then next fraction
Yes,
is
ma'am.
1 upon 2 yellow kiska? 16 ka. So 2 ones are 2, 2 8 16. So 8 will be yellow.
8 pieces, so there are 16. So
Yes.
2 parts, so 4 will be covered as red.
Yes.
Then
And how many yellow?
As covered as 2, but there are actually 16. So 8 and it is 1. So the yellow will be 8 parts will be covered yellow. And green is 1 upon 4. So 4 parts will be covered green.
Yes. 1 upon 4 of 16 is 4 parts. Now next is, turn the page. Find out Ramu vegetable field. Ramu vegetable field has
Ma'am,
9
we have
parts.
done this. Ma'am, we have done this.
Okay, I will ask the question, then you will tell me. Ramu vegetable field has 9 equal parts. What part, what vegetable does he grow? Can you name all the vegetables? क्या क्या grow करी है उसने?
Ma'am, can I?
Everyone speak, please. Tomato, potato, brinjal,
Tomatoes,
spinach.
potatoes, beetles, spinach, and chili.
Brinjal.
Okay. How many total parts? How many total parts?
9.
9.
Nine.
Okay. Now my next question is, which vegetable grow in the biggest part of the tree?
Ma'am, I can tell.
Tomato.
Tomato.
What is the fraction of tomato?
3 upon
3 upon 9. And you can write 1 upon 3 also when you do it in the lowest term. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
1 upon 3 and 3 upon 9 are similar. Means 9 में से 3 parts or 3 में से 1 part is same. Then goes to the next. On what part of the field does he grow potatoes?
2 upon 9.
2 upon 9.
2 upon 9.
Yes.
2 upon 9.
So please write 2 upon 9. Next is, what part of the field he used to grow spinach? What part is used for brinjal? So दोनों का fraction लिखना है. Spinach का भी and brinjal का भी. So what is about the spinach? What part he grow?
1 upon 9.
1 upon 9.
Just 2 upon 9.
And the brinjal is 2 upon 9. Very good. Now you write some questions by looking at this picture. आप इससे picture को देख के खुद के questions भी बना सकते हो, few questions. Okay, students? Now I'm telling you again, read from page number 59. Read from page number 59 till the page number. Yeah, you read till the last 59 to 70. Read and come tomorrow in the class. Okay? And today I'm going to send you a revision worksheet. You will do that revision worksheet. And children, and be ready with this. We are going to do this activity tomorrow in the class. Okay, make some chits, 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, whatever the number is written here. Make the chits of these fractions and come tomorrow in the class. Thank you for today's class. You will get the revision worksheet.
Where it is written? Ma'am, where it is written?
It is written in the activity.